Hello friends, my name is Ali, and in today's video I have a special collaboration which, well, I will talk about in a bit. But first, I wanted to thank you guys for all your support on this channel. I don't usually speak on this channel, but for today I wanted to because it is a special collaboration. So let's get started. What you see here are these beautiful pumpkins that came out at the Dollar Tree not too long ago. And of course I had to pick them up. They're a little bit on the rustic farmhouse look, but you will see how you can mix these in with a lot of beautiful glam, elegance, and even bling. Yes, so keep watching. So these beautiful stems are from Hobby Lobby and they are beautiful. These vessels I picked up at Target, and they are the Hearth and Hand collection. This one was $14.99. They have these beautiful amber color tones to it, and I really love them. The bigger one was $24.99. I do have a third, I just could not find it. In either case, I'm also going to use some of these faux leather pumpkins that are also from Hobby Lobby. I will be using this beautiful utensils in gold color. This collaboration that I'm hosting is called Home Decor Luxe Club. That is our name. And this is our vlog edition for August, for the month of Vlogust. And we are putting out videos every Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we are bringing you fall ideas, early fall. Please check out my YouTube sisters in the description box below. You will love them. So these gorgeous florals came inside the vessel, and you guys will not believe where I picked this up. I will tell you in a bit, but look at how gorgeous. It has like a gold foil and different tones of amber colors. I love thrifting, and you will not believe this was only $12.99. Oh my goodness, $12.99. Let me say it again. And it's so beautiful, so beautiful. You guys, when I sing, I really love something, and that's why I'm singing. So I'm going to be using also some candles that I picked up from Ross, from Bloom and Prosper. Very nice, very inexpensive for the size. They have this beautiful gold top. I will not be lighting them up today, but they are beautiful. I also picked these up, and they're tall and gold candle holders. It has a candle holder top that is very wide, so you could put a variety of candle sizes. And these plates are everything. I picked them up from Home Goods. They are alabaster plates with a little bit of a gold tone trim around it, and I think they just look gorgeous. I was trying to decide if I'm going to be using a little bit of copper or just the gold place settings, and you will see what I decided to go with. the potpourri you see inside that vessel actually came with the vessel as well. So I went ahead and just left it as it is. As you could see, the florals needed to be a little bit fluffed up, and I fluffed them up. But guys, look at the price for these florals alone. $3.99 for only 3 little stems. So this, if I would have bought these separately, it would have been $30 just for the floral alone. For the florals alone, and actually probably even more because it's $4 for 3 little stems, and I have quite a bit in there. So that was a great deal, and to get them for $12.99, including the vessel and the potpourri. As you could see, they have a lot of different neutral colors intertwined with a little bit of gold foil, and it has a lot of texture. This is why I love them. I also have this cloche here. I have actually 2 that I picked up, and I really love them. I picked these up, I think 2 years ago, maybe last year, and I placed the pumpkins from Dollar Tree inside of them. And here are the place settings. These beautiful plates are gorgeous. Look at the way they give off this very subtle iridescent look. It makes it very luxe and very beautiful. So I decided to go with the 2 placemats, and that way it gives it more texture. And here is the final result. Friends, please remember to check out my beautiful YouTube sisters. Thank you, YouTube sisters, for collaborating with me. I'm so excited that I'm getting back into collaborating. This is my only collaboration now that I will be keeping, and I'm so excited to have you guys in it. So friends, please enjoy the rest of the video with music, and thank you so much for watching, and please visit them. You will love their decor. Thanks for watching, you guys.